We're checking out Red Rocks today, so I'm gonna try getting a shot from up here, but I got kind of the place to myself, but it's a snow day, so that's kind of exciting. So I was gonna build a little snowman and just leave it right here, you know, build a little snowman for Red Rocks, and I think it'll be pretty cool. Oh, it's not turning out too well, but that's all right, whatever. I'm gonna keep hiking up the stairs like you're supposed to. I tell you to hike up the stairs, but hey, today I'm just playing the snow. There's lots of snow to play in today, so maybe I can make a big old snowman and make it the Snow Rocks, and I'll be really proud of myself. So today I'm gonna make a big old snowman. It's not really big, but hey, look at that. Welcome to Red Rocks, where snowmen happen. That's really sad. Work out right there. That's a snowman. Hey, it didn't stop me from hiking up and down the stairs today. That's what you do. You come out to Red Rocks and you go up and down the stairs all day, and that's what I'm gonna do. Hey, I'm jumping down to the stage. I'm gonna do a couple minutes, do a couple sets up there for King Gizzard. It should be sick. I think they're just gonna let me get up there and kind of hang out, but it's a snow day, so that's kind of fun. Should have brought my snow pants, but I didn't. But dude, check out that stage, man. Friggin' huge stage. It's pretty cool. So I'm gonna do some shots of the entire park and kind of do a little walk around, but it's chilly today. It's a little chilly. Hope it's a good shot. We're at the Trading Post Trailhead. It's a snowy day. Maybe I can see a bobcat again in school. Whatever. Having fun out in the snow today. Again, I should have worn snow pants. Let's go out and get them. Whoa, hot dog, look at this bridge I found. Look at me, I'm on a bridge, and that's fun. I'm hoping if I can cross this bridge, then I can get some help on the other side. So we'll go over there and we'll see if we can get some help, because otherwise I'm gonna be stuck in this snowstorm all night, and it looks like it's gonna be a doozy out there tonight.